Hi, it's Mark here from Bikers Hub. Hope everyone's doing okay. I owe you guys a bit of an apology because it's been a long time since I've done a vlog. Life has been doing its usual thing of getting in the way. I'm sure it does for everyone. But yeah, it's been a long time since I've made a vlog, so sorry about that. But I've gone out for a ride today, especially to get a vlog recorded for you guys, so thought I'd enjoy the sun. It's still bloody cold, mind you. My hands are already numb and I've only just left the house. Anyway, I hope you can all hear me okay. The first vlog I've made whilst riding this bike, and I've got the baffle out on the exhaust, so it is a bit loud. But I thought what I would talk about today is my bike history. Tell you what bikes I've had and what I thought of them, really. So yeah, the first bike I had when I did my CBT, a 125, the Honda Varadero 125 XL, and I really liked it actually. The 125, it was a huge bike, which is partly why I opted for that 125, because I ride on all these country roads which are shit with potholes and what have you, and I have an hour's journey to work, and I was using it for commuting, so I wanted something with a bit of road presence with big wheels to cope with all these holes, because sometimes it's a case of having to pick which one you're going to go in instead of avoiding them, unfortunately. But yeah, no, 125 Varadero was a great little bike, little V-twin. And then when I did my licence, I got myself a pretty old Kawasaki ZZR 600, and that was alright. Well, I say it was alright. It's a good bike, but my one had a few issues. I bought it cheap because I thought I'd probably end up dropping it, and I didn't want to spend much on a fancy bike that I was going to potentially wreck. And yeah, ended up having to sell it because it needed some work doing and it wasn't really worth doing, so I sold it. And then I got my ZX9R 2001 model, which was fantastic. Absolutely loved that bike. When I bought it, it had only, well, it didn't even have 8,000 miles on the clock. It was really nice condition, absolutely mint. Sadly, I've suffered from a bad back since I was about 20 years old, and the position on that's sort of, it's not extreme riding position, it's not like super sports riding position, but it is a bit leaned forward, and I was finding I was having to stop sort of halfway through my journey to work with quite bad lower back pain and having to stretch my back out, which wasn't great, and sort of stopped the enjoyment of the bike, really. So I then opted for this bike that I'm on now, which is the MT09 Tracer, or the Tracer 900. Can't see fuck all, it's so sunny. And I'm absolutely loving this bike. It's an upright riding position, but it's still a sporty bike. It's still fast, it handles really well, and it sounds great. But yeah, that's it guys, that's my sort of bike history. I've only had 4 bikes, so not many really. But yeah, the ZX9 was my favourite, and then it's this bike. I do miss the ZX9, but never mind. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Please feel free to rate, comment and subscribe, and maybe I'll see you in Bikers Hub on the forums. Take care guys, see you next time.